Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to try some clean makeup, and this is from Ilia. So far, I think I only tried two things from them before, and the first one is their bronzer and second one is their mascara. Actually, they include a mascara right here. I also had a travel size of their mascara. It's not bad, it's just a normal clean feeling of mascara. It doesn't give you a tons of volume or lengthening. Like, this is just normal. It's not bad, but it's not like a super full functioning mascara. Yeah, that's how I feel about the mascara. But the bronzer was so good. I actually did a comparison video between this one and the Charlotte Tilbury. So if you're interested, I will link it down below. So yeah, today we're going to test out this bag of clean makeup from Ilia. So in here they have a lipstick and multi-use of blush, or you can use for eyeshadow, I guess, and for lipsticks, anything you want, and with the mascara and with the liquid highlighter. So this is everything in here. The total value for this is $102, but they sell in Sephora for $45. So if you're interested, that's the price. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get this open. Look at how clean looking this is. I love this color. Just give you a hint of a little bit of everything, especially like me, I never really tried their brand before. So this should be a really good start. I already have my foundation on and the base on my face, so we're going to try out this. I have the concealer, eyebrow filled. Okay, so we're going to start with this little multi-use stick. This is the color, very nice. Kind of has a little of bronze shading to this, so I think this will be good for eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow and a blush, and we'll go from there. Okay, so let's see the color. So this is the color. Very creamy and very sheer. I don't really like the scent. The scent feels very old school makeup scent. On my eyelid. Just a hint of color. This is after and this is before. Just a little bit hint of something, right? So I want to try on my eyes first to see if it will crease on my eyelid. So far it looks pretty nice. Kind of a little bit stickier, but not too bad at all. And actually this color is not too light on the eyes. Let's try for the blush. This is good. Very, very easy to blend. And it's not like super glossy finish, which sometimes can be a problem since I don't want too glossy. Like, I will have a highlighter to do that. For the blush, I just don't want it to be too glossy. Okay, so this is the multi-stick. Really nice, and the color is Ladybird, just in case you want to know. All right, let's try the mascara. Actually, I have this mascara already, so this is not new for me anymore. So let's just put. Yeah, this is very separating and give you that clean mascara look. No clumps, no nothing. So just a little bit enhance of your natural lashes. Sometimes I really want that, especially at home. You're not going anywhere, right? During this special time, you're all staying at home and you just want a little bit of something. Yes, so this is the mascara from Ilia. Very much into this. Okay, next we're going to try the highlighter. I'm mostly excited about this one. I think this can be a full size, right? This is quite big for a highlighter. Also, this is a liquid highlighter. Let's do a little swatch first. Oh, it's quite liquidy. Very lightweight. Yeah, same scent. Not a really good scent. Ooh, this is very luminous. I like it. Right? Very promising. Oh, nice. You see that? I think it's more watery than the Becca one. And even for, I think Marc Jacobs have also a liquid one. This is the most watery liquid highlighter I've tried so far. So far it feels sticky. Let's see if it would dry down. Do a little bit of bridge of the nose. Yeah, this intensity is good enough for me. Sometimes it's too subtle, I don't really like it, but this looks really nice. Okay, at least on my hand, it feels dry already. So I guess on the face, it will eventually dry down. Some other cream highlighter, sometimes it just stays sticky. It never dries down, but as a liquid highlighter, I guess they will. Okay, let's see from far away. So this is the highlighter. Looks quite nice. You can use it everywhere. I guess this is not enough if you want to use for your whole body. As you can see, it's very glowy. I like it. It's very lightweight. It doesn't have any glitter in there. It just gives you that sheen of reflective. Very nice. Oh, this says it is a liquid light serum highlighter. I guess it has like a skin benefit in there, which is a bonus. I always want skincare infused in makeup, which is make you feel better, like you have an extra layer of nourish for your body, for your skin. Yeah, so this looks pretty nice. Okay, we have one last thing to try, which is tinted lip oil. The color is Tahiti. Very smooth. Ooh, nice color. This reminds me of the YSL, the lip oil as well. This one is even sheer than this. This has much more pigmentation than the YSL one. But they similar, very lightweight feeling and smooth. My lip is quite chapped today, so far it feels very nourished and just enough of color, right? Yeah, so far I'm very into this 3 products. I can totally use every single one of them. And especially this is a clean beauty brand. You have that peace of mind that there's no harsh chemicals in this product. Especially during the summer, you just want a little bit something. You don't want a full glam. And if you are staying at home, you can just throw this on and then you look quite decent. So yeah, this is the whole thing on my face, which I quite enjoy. If I use the right base as a foundation or tinted moisturizer, this will look so much better. But right now, this is all I can do. Yeah, with $45, you get this bag. You can just use and throw everything on when you're traveling, especially. Not right now, but I mean, hopefully in the future when you're traveling, this will be a really nice bag to have. And also you have almost the full size of the highlighter, liquid highlighter. Normally clean makeup brand, because the quality is there, so it's much more expensive than the regular brand. Yeah, so I definitely think it's worth it. I'm ready to try more product from Ilia. I really like this bag. I wonder how much this bag is. Yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!